Welcome back. Continuing the news. The Linstead market in St. Catherine is back in the news weeks after the controversial destruction of a vendor's hand can cart and goods and the suspension of the municipal police involved. Well, this evening, complaints from the councillor for the area about the wanton disregard for order in the Linstead market district. Krista Campbell has this primetime news follow-up.
President Avenue right now is total chaos. The vendors are all over Fletcher Avenue.
It's the very same road where this viral video was filmed. The video sparked public outrage over the manner in which a vendor's handcart and goods were destroyed. All the municipal police involved have since been suspended. And now, this seems to be the order of the day in the Linstead market in St. Catherine.
Fletcher Avenue is almost a half-lane road. Sometimes when motorists are going through there, people have to be moving their wares from up the street. Because some of these young men and women too, just come and drop this stuff almost in the middle of the road.
Never mind the signs telling them otherwise, or the freshly repainted sidewalks where motorists are not allowed to park.
And part of the congestion is because of the taxis and the busmen who just keep blocking up the road. They refuse to use the taxi stand in the car park and just itch up anywhere, everywhere in the town.
The pedestrian crossing is no exception. And needless to say, there are concerns about emergency situations.
Because of the congestion of traffic, the ambulances cannot get to move quickly out or inside.
Councillor William Sital was speaking on behalf of Councillor Herbert Garrix at Thursday's Municipal Corporation meeting, where he raised the matter of clearly defining the authority and powers of the municipal police.
The traffic here in Spanish Town said the directive came from the minister himself, that they had to seize these motor vehicles that are operating contrary to their road license because of COVID. I don't know what COVID has to do with a motorist not using the taxi stand and blocking the streets.
TVJ News tried unsuccessfully to get local government minister Desmond Mackenzie's response on those claims, but we can say he has appealed for greater discretion for vendors and taxi operators during the pandemic. However, he has not explicitly said they should be allowed to use undesignated areas. Meanwhile, Spanish Town Mayor Norman Scott says in the absence of a standard operating protocol for the municipal police, a set of guidelines has been drafted for the local government minister to review and approve.
It has been sent to the ministry. I was hoping that we would have had it here today for us to adopt and to pass into the bylaws.
He hopes it will be ready by September. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.